Ever pondered over which SQL queries can make your life a breeze? Well, today is your lucky day. Here are the top 10 SQL queries that can simplify your tasks and boost your productivity. First up, the select query. This is the most basic yet crucial SQL query used to fetch data from a database. Just like picking out your favorite books from a library, the select query helps you retrieve the exact data you require from a colossal database. Next, we have the update query. It's like your very own time machine, allowing you to modify an existing set of data in your database. If you've made an error or need to refresh your records, the update query comes to your rescue. The third one is the delete query. Picture it as a digital eraser, helping you remove specific records from your database. Whether it's outdated data or a mistake, the delete query helps keep your database clean and efficient. Fourth on our list is the insert into query. This query lets you add new data into your database, much like adding new items into your shopping cart. It's a crucial tool for keeping your database up to date with the latest data. Fifth comes the where clause. This query is like a spotlight, helping you filter your data and focus on specific records that meet certain criteria. It's an essential tool for digging into the details of your database. Next, we have the join query. It's like a bridge linking two tables together based on a common attribute. It's a fantastic tool for creating a more comprehensive view of your data. Seventh is the alter table query. This query is like a shapeshifter, allowing you to modify the structure of your database tables. Whether you need to add, modify, or delete columns, the alter table query makes it possible. The eighth one is the group by query. Picture it as a sorter, grouping your selected data based on certain columns. It's a great tool for organizing your data and making it easier to analyze. Ninth on our list is the order by query. It's like a personal assistant, arranging your selected data in a specific order. Whether you need your data in ascending or descending order, the order by query has got you covered. Last but not least, we have the distinct query. This query is like a filter, removing duplicate rows from your result set. It's a fantastic tool for ensuring that your data is as unique as possible. To recap, the top 10 SQL queries that can simplify your tasks and enhance your productivity are select, update, delete, insert into, where, join, alter table, group by, order by, and distinct. Each query has its unique benefit, from retrieving data, modifying it, deleting records, adding new data, filtering, linking tables, altering table structures, grouping and sorting data, to removing duplicates. With these queries at your disposal, you are well equipped to tackle any challenge your database might throw at you. Remember, mastering SQL queries is like learning a new language. It might seem daunting at first, but with practice and patience, you'll be speaking SQL fluently in no time. Happy querying!